When it comes to brownies, most people fall into one of two categories. They either want them cake-like or rich and fudgy. But what if I told you we came up with a brownie that has the best of both, plus it has the added benefit of crispy, crunchy edges, which takes them over the top? We start by melting some butter in a saucepan over medium heat. To that, we stir in some sugar, and once it dissolves, we take it off the heat and let it cool. We want it to cool slightly, so when we add our eggs, they won't cook in the hot mixture. A splash of vanilla goes in before we add our dry ingredients. Flour, cocoa powder, and a bit of salt. Once it's smooth, we stir in some chopped pecans, and into a baking dish it goes. We'll pop this into the oven, and in about a half an hour, it's done. It probably won't be easy for you to wait until this cools, but once it does, it'll be worth the wait. And like I promised, it'll satisfy the most finicky, fudgy, or cake-like brownie lover. Maybe top it with some ice cream and dig in. The recipe for our Blue Ribbon Brownies is online now, and it's one that you shouldn't pass up. Once you sink your teeth into these, you'll know why they're Blue Ribbon worthy. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fudgy cake-like way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.